To achieve Kate's hair look, your best tip there is to get a hairdryer and a round brush, and when you blow dry it up instead of down or any other direction. So you want to create that root lift. Ariana is an iconic look, and all you need is your hair up. So you're giving yourself a facelift. So grab everything you can, create that ponytail, very secure. I would suggest have yourself a spray bottle and get yourself a lot of elastic bands. So the actual base of your ponytail is quite sturdy and won't go anywhere. JLo's hair is like a personality, it's big. So you want your wand and just literally curling your hair completely. Make it quite tight, so tight curls, but then at the end, use a brush to separate the curls, and then the bigness and the bounciness and everything comes to life.